So I was having shifting issues. This is a 2008 Chevy Malibu, the classic 3.5 liter engine. And mine, it wasn't shifting into gear. It was turning on and everything, but then when you would hit the shifter lever, it would just go up and down and it wouldn't lock into gear. So the same thing for underneath there, if it's not where this is. So this was my problem, why it wasn't shifting. This would move, but when you moved, it wouldn't kick it into gear. So if you come under here, this is all that it was. This is a shifter grommet here. So if you look at the shifter knob here, it was broken off over this little ball here. So this piece is broken, so then it wouldn't allow this to shift. So then this, yeah, connects that piece right there, and it's got that metal rod that goes back in, and then that'll go to that shifter knob in there. And there's also one of these on that shifter in there that can go bad. So that goes to your, from the transmission, it's shifting it to your different gears. But if this is broken, it won't allow you to shift. So when you screw this in, when you put this new one in, you want to soak this in hot water to get this a little more flexible. Otherwise, to push it on, it's really hard. So you want to soak this in hot water and then pop it on there.